2019 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.